Good evening, everyone, and welcome to our post-game press conference. Congratulations to the Adams and Sorin Falcons for beating the UP Fighting Maroons 62-59. The Falcons are now at 1-1. We have Coach Nash Racela, Ray Allen Torres, and AJ Plaza. Coach Nash, congratulations for this grinding out victory, and it's an epic defensive struggle. So, what can you say about this match?
Well, during halftime, that's what we told the players. So we have to grind this game out. That was really expected. From start to finish, dik-dikan. But I don't really know what to say about the officiating. Medyo gulong-gulo kami kanina. We wanted to adjust to the referees, but medyo naguguluhan kami. Buti na lang yung mga players were able to deliver today.
82 AJ Bransland, you have 10 points, 8 rebounds, 1 assist, and +7. So, crucial layup to tie the game. So, what can you say about this victory?
Ayun nga, sa preparation namin sa mga coaches, sinabi nga nila coach na kasi medyo naging emotional ako sa mga officiating. So, sabi ni Coach Nash na ng mga coaches na sila na daw bahala sa officiating basta kami focus lang kami sa game. So, thankfully may tiwala pa rin sa akin si Coach Nash nung bandang dulo at pinasok pa rin ako. So, yun lang, nag-stay ready lang ako.
Okay, and to Ray Allen Torres at 10 points, 2 steals, 2 rebounds, +8, 1 assist, and that crucial 3-pointer in the final 2.8 seconds. So, nakapokus ka dun talaga sa winning basket. So, can you recall yung last play na yun?
Nung last play kasi, sabi dalhin lang ni Mati yung bola sa gitna. Tapos, last 5 seconds, last 5 seconds bigay sa akin. Pero nung nasa akin na yung bola, parang blackout na lahat. Parang tinanggal ko lahat ng emotions ko. Focus lang ako sa tira ko. And wala ko isipin ko titira. And kumpiyansa. Tapos yun ginawa ko.
Thank you. Okay, the floor is open for questions, guys.
Coach, how big was it for you to have the Ronzone brothers playing defense for you? They were picking up the ball handler ng UP from the baseline. How crucial was that to your game plan?
Very, very crucial because again, ang basketball is not played half court, diba? Talaga full court. So that we value what they give us, defensively. That's why they had minutes on the floor today. We know how very talented the guards of UP, no? Magaling Fortea, Lucilda, Rimogat. So we just wanted them to feel us defensively from the backcourt. So, yeah, they did their part. Moving forward, that will really, really help us.
Coach, perspective ng team, pwedeng i-share niyo po kung ano yung nangyari nung 4 lang yung players niyo and how proud of you na kahit ganito nangyari na tatawid yung panahon.
Well, first time nangyari sa akin yun sa coaching career ko na pinalaro yung 4. I don't know. I can't really explain that. I knew that I had some time to think about who I will field in. We were thinking about it. Pero biglang pinalaro ng referee, no? Hindi ko alam sabi ko nga sa inyo, we are trying to really understand how they interpret it. Pero today medyo nagkaroon ng konting confusion. So buti na lang, despite that, we 10 seconds I think, nagamit ng UP. Tama ba? Ano ba nangyari? Yeah, I think more than 10 seconds nakain. Yeah. But still, bola nila. Tama. No? I was expecting na i-rewind ba. Ibalik talaga yung bola doon. So as if nothing happened. And then we put our fifth guy in. But
So coach, wala po silang
I don't know if it happens in FIBA. No? Hindi ko alam.
Bali coach, wala pa po silang explanation kanina.
Well, number one, we deserve an explanation from them. We expect the commissioner's office to reach out to us, no, at least man lang explain. And si Commissioner Jai naman has been doing his part, no, medyo open, very open yung communication niya with the coaches. So, for sure, baka hindi pa matapos yung gabi, alam na namin. No?
Coach, UP has top talent or blue chip talent at least. Pero how proud are you of the team's effort na, ayun na, nalagpasan nila yung talent na yun with Adamson's heart and effort? Lalo ka na nabukas effort nila ngayon?
Hindi ako pwede umangal. No? I should be the happiest coach. No, at least hanggang 12 midnight lang. No, I saw their effort. I saw. Tama ba? Ano ba sabi ko no halftime? I think it's not just this game does just not entail yung presence ng heart nila. Sabi namin, kailangan din ng utak. No? And I think today, they were very focused. No? So yung mga adjustments na ginagawa namin on the fly, they were able to execute. No? So yeah, I guess that's part of maturity. Shows maturity.
Coach, na-mention niyo po last game na hindi ka ganun ka-satisfied sa depensa ng Adamson. Pero ngayon, you held off another powerhouse team below 60 points. Ano mo po masasabi mo sa performance?
Yun lang ang chance namin eh. Diba? You all know that our talent compared to them, to most of them, mas mababa. No? Hindi ko naman ibinababa yung mga players. But I guess that's just the reality and we have to accept that. And the only way for us to be able to compete in this league is really to play defense, play as a team, no, rely on each other, no, and not too much on our individual skill. So the team should embrace that. I think they're starting to. So hopefully every game ganyan ang pakita namin.
Coach, you're facing Ateneo this Sunday, so Ateneo is now 2-0 and they're doing good with their one and done there. So your thoughts about playing Ateneo?
It will be very challenging, I think, just like our first two games. No? Yun ang sabi namin, this first week is really very challenging for us. You play the last year's finalists, and then you play a more improved Ateneo, no? That just extended Coach Tab's contract, no? For another 3 years. So, syempre, ano yan, that's added motivation for everyone, no? They know that, especially the players, they know that the next 3 years, andyan si Coach Tab sa tabi nila. So, it's a well-coached team. Alam niyo naman yon, and you all, hindi niyo naman pinagkakaila, you all say that he is the best collegiate coach in the Philippines. No, that's what I always read. So, and I acknowledge that also. No, he's better than all of us. Pero we will do our part in challenging Ateneo. Hopefully, we play well Sunday.
For AJ and Rayla, playing against the defending champions, parang how important was it for you to make a statement today? Because in a competitive field ngayon, not a lot of people can make statements or put out statements like that anymore against, tougher opposition like that.
Basta kami naniniwala lang kami sa sarili namin na kaya namin kasi yung coaches namin ginagawa nila yung best nila. So dapat ibigay namin yung parang give back lang sa kanila na papakita namin na kaya namin makipag-compete sa best of the best. So, ayun lang, parang nag-give back lang kami sa coaches namin kasi grabe tuwala nila sa amin. sa preparation nila. So, execution na lang yung kailangan.
Siguro just to add din dun sa I don't know if everyone remembers Ray, no, during his high school sa UPIS. No, he was the #1 scorer when he was in 40. Buong UAAP. So that's how, well, binabalik lang, tinatry lang namin ibalik yun. No? And that's why, again, we gave him confidence in that last possession. Alam namin yung kakayanan niya. I think he's no stranger to mga ganyang situation. No, lagi siya nandyan, whether nandun sa nung high school niya or sa barangay kung saan siya naglalaro. So I think he just transferred it to the game today. Thank you.
Thank you sa tiwala.
So, Ray, what can you say na yun nga? Is this gonna be the start of something for you itong game na to para umangat ulit yung kumpiyansa mo?
Hopefully, kasi focus lang naman namin is yung team eh. Bonus lang yung individual na nangyari sa akin today, pero ang pinaka-importante talaga is yung team namin. So, kailangan maglaro kami sa isa't isa. And hindi kami mananalo pag kanya-kanya eh. So, ganun naman yung nangyari today. So,
Congratulations, Coach Nash, AJ, and Ray. Thank you.
Salamat.
Napapasa ko pa lagi.